You are going to love the 2021 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.